Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook group. So first to do that, you have to open your Facebook app on your iPhone, then tap at the profile icon menu, then you're going to tap on group. You see right here, groups. Then you can tap on manage, or you can simply come up here and click on your group. Then you have the list of the group you have on your Facebook account. Then you can tap on the one you want to delete, the group, the name of the group you want to delete. Once you do that, then you tap on manage. So once you do that, once tap on manage, then you scroll the way down and tap on delete. So right here, if you happens to be the last admin of the group, then you can simply delete it without no option. You can see delete. The group is gone already. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.